snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us.
Hello guys, welcome to the VeeHive. So guys, guess where I am? I'm gonna turn the camera. I am at Jared's. So let me turn this heat down because it's hot. So I came to Jared's and it's not for me. It is not for me. So I ordered some stuff from Jared's and I had to come pick up. So when I got it, come to find out that the other item was not in there. So my daughter had to run back in there because they have been like boxes when you order the stuff and they just pick it up. So she's coming with it right now. So I'm coming right. Okay guys, so I am done with that. So this Christmas is going to consist of jewelry, apple. So although it has been a crazy year, very crazy, I have one gift that it is hot. I have one gift that I have to mail to Greenville, South Carolina. Yes. And that is jewelry also. Matter of fact, you don't know you're wrong? In the wrong freaking lane. So I have something I need to contact the company so it can be mailed off straight to the person. It'll be there before Christmas, but it is something that is very special. So you're supposed to, yeah, because you were supposed to go. What you gonna do? Damn, these people can't drive not a little bit. Okay, so now I have some stuff that I need to just tell the company. I did something that is monogram that's going to a friend of mine in Greenville, and this is my orders, Jared. So put those back there. And now guys, I got some things from the Apple store that is our gifts this year. I would say this way, I have something that I already know that I'm gonna send back, okay? I know I'm gonna send it back and get my coins, okay? So I am out now. I got to go pick up my dad's other gift, and then my dad's other gift, I think I can't deliver it Christmas Day for the simple reason it is huge. When I say huge, this is huge, and it's for my daddy. So, light is on green. So, hopefully that this item fits in my automobile back there. I don't know. And they got to go 2 hours. So now where I got to go is, wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna be in this area. I got to come back over here. I got to get some gift cards, and the gift cards are for my kids, And I told them I'm giving them gift cards to restaurants, but they're not really restaurants. It's for healthy items. So I know one place is going to be Tropical Smoothie, because we absolutely love Tropical Smoothie. So I think what I'm going to do is give them Tropical Smoothie and then money in a card. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think so. And then they got Apple products and all of that stuff they got for Christmas. So I'm just hoping Santa bring me the Apple Watch. Okay. And it's not like I'm a weird. I just want one. I just want one. Okay. I just want one. So, excuse me. So I'm out. I have that first thing taken care of. Guys, to order things through Jared, it is super duper duper easy. This ring came from Jared's over 8 years ago. This ring came from Jared's over 8 years ago. So I mean, good quality, white gold, good quality. I've never ever had an issue out of my ring. So I'm finna stop, so I'm gonna bring my ring up closer. It need to be clean. I got something stuck in it right now. So that is my ring that I purchased from Jared's over 8 years ago. So I love my ring, love it, love it, love it. So I'm wearing my ring and love my ring. So Jared's, I will tell anybody. And this is some mega carats. If you can see, it's mega carats. So I know I want a new tennis bracelet, but I'm not going to get that right now. I think it's time for my daughter to graduate to a little tennis bracelet, because she's getting into jewelry and stuff now. So yeah, she has a bracelet like her mama's. I gave her a bracelet like mine. And I love this bracelet. I don't know, I like the sound of it. I don't know. So y'all, it is so packed. It is so packed over here. And over here, guys, don't even try to go to Target. Don't even. So I'm trying to think, where do I need to go over here? Where do I even need to go over here? I have an order I need to pick up. That is my dad's gift. And it's on the highway that I'm not too long ago left from. So, what else we were supposed to do? If y'all don't know me, I'm the bumpologist. I see a bump and it's a white hand, I'm a pop it. Oh my, this child. Talking about I mess up her eyebrows and her lashes. I want a drink from Starbucks, but I don't drink from the Starbeezy over here. No, this is Starbucks over here. I like getting my drinks from Starbeezy. So, oh y'all, I'm finna show y'all this traffic. Y'all, this is the traffic. That's the traffic. Go ahead. Trying to let you go on. Oh. Yeah, y'all would have saw it. So, the traffic here is like nuts, crazy nuts. I don't need to go to Hobby Lobby at all. I don't need Hobby Lobby. So I came through Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby packed. these people just taking chances and stuff. So it's just like, you saw my eyes, so you already know. I have some things that I need to get for my 21-year-old. I should have went to the big and tall men store, because my 21-year-old is almost 6'5". 6'5", 6'6". He's almost 6'5". So, no, he's not grown. He's still have to go on his growth spurt at 25. So my kid probably be about 6'6". And I'll tell you, my husband is 5'11", but I tell you one thing, he might be 5'11", the other one might be 6'5", but they don't play when it comes down to their mama. You don't cross them with their mama. No. So, yeah, I need to clean my car out. But it won't be today because it is nasty out here. I'm trying to think where else we were supposed to go. I'm not going to Walmart. I can order whatever I need from Walmart and come pick it up. I need to live at the house. Y'all, I've been lazy. Order it, go pick it up from the store, or order it and let them deliver it on the front porch. Okay? Okay. I've been being lazy. It's because I don't want to. I mean, if you look at the parking lot, oh, there's my little security buddy working. If you really look at how many people are floating around and going in and out of these stores, guys, you'll be like, it's too packed. It's just too packed. And that's how I feel. It's too packed. So,
there's people inside
Pier 1 not even supposed to be open. They must be cleaning and doing stuff on there. Y'all, girlfriend, see on the other vlog, girlfriend need to perm her hair and hit a little light rinse. So girlfriend got her hair done. Mama Ray Ray is messaging me right now, but I'll call her back in a few. But I am going to, y'all, have y'all ever gotten to the point where one of your parents are no longer here, but like holiday season, Mother's Day, birthday, you always be on your, you don't think fast, and you're like, oh my God, what can I give them this year? Y'all, I had that brain fart last week. I was just like, oh my, and my mom has been gone almost 10 years. It's still like she's went on a vacation, she's gonna come back. That's how it feels to me. But I was like, what am I gonna get mama this year? I think I got daddy situated. What I'm gonna get mama? Then I was like sitting there like, then I was like, oh. Now it's still a hard pill to swallow. And everybody say you get adjusted to it. It's May 8th, 2011 at 1:31 p.m. is when my mom took her last breath. I don't think I ever get adjusted to it. I'll never get adjusted to it. I live day by day. I would say it that way. But I'm gonna tell y'all, trying to get myself together before I even say it. Guys, the other day we were at my dad's house, and just for support, my dad has one of the little pushers, and you can sit on it too. Forgot what the sit and pull, pull and sit, or whatever it's called. So he has one of those. And guys, it was just like the kids and my dad walked down to check his mail, and I was in the house cooking, and I came outside, you know, because it was taking so long. I came outside to see where they was. And I look up and my dad was standing there talking to some more of the guys. And I was just like, Mama could have been on a walk and still here. But I'm looking at my dad has been through so much. And he's still here. It's just like time to time you see things and people don't look at things as a whole clear picture. It's something that my dad went from walking in the doctor's office every day, working with patients every day, and had this clean bill of health, and daddy was just all this to your dad is given a diagnosis that he is not going to live past 24 hours if he does not get flown to another hospital. Then from if we got to get things together for him to have open heart surgery in order for him to live. So guys, I'm like, a lot of people don't pray with the right God. I'm stopping because the order is not ready for another 30 minutes for me to pick up. Oh my God. This kid here in Burger King. So now she's making me go to Burger King. But, trying to get my thoughts together to still have a parent, and my dad has went through so much. It's just like what people's eyes don't see. You still do the same stupid crap that you always did, but you, let me order this food, then I'll get back to it. Oh goodness, I got a coupon too. Okay guys, we had to order Burger King. I am just getting back on. We have already eaten from Burger King. I had a problem because I cannot eat the ground beef patties. I can eat the Impossible meat because of course you know that is veggies. So at first it was like, no, we can't do it. And I'm like, what? So because I get the coupon, so they did honor my coupon and did change the meat. I only paid $1 more. So it's in tummy. So also I have picked up one of my dad's gifts. So I'll go back and get that wrap, put it on the tree. So now this little girl wants to go do some Christmas shopping, and I'm not going in the store with her. So I got some more ordering to do. So you want to go all the way over, or you want to go in the back of here?
It don't really matter.
I'd rather go over. These people, let me tell you, you probably can see that right there. I've never, ever been in a state where a U-turn at a red light stop sign anywhere is legal. I've never seen it. It was like the second or third week after we moved here. I was sitting at the red light. Boom, you can make a U-turn, and the light comes up on it and it has U-turn. I'm like, what? So it is legal in the state of Georgia to do U-turns. Oh, they got one Tesla getting all charged up. That's a blue Tesla. We have a Tesla charging station about 20 minutes from us, so we just passed a charging station. So I still got to work on my kids and my dad's stocking stuffer. For Sean, I'm not giving a stocking. I'm not doing a stocking stuffer for him this year at all. So I gotta get these stocking stuffers finished. Not done, but finished. But I am going to show you all what I am cooking for dinner tonight. So you know, usually when I do a vlogmas, whenever I do a vlog, a day in the life of, I usually bring y'all along and I'm cooking something. So today, guys, I am going to be cooking hen wings. Yes. So I'm going to be cooking some hen wings and probably some jasmine rice. And I have no clue what vegetable yet. So, my 21-year-old, he absolutely loved them. He was like, Mama, I don't know how anybody else cook them and what they taste like, but your hen wings are the bomb. So I cook my hen wings the same way my mom taught me how to cook hen wings, and I love them. I absolutely love it. So, guys, instead of me keep rambling, I do want some ice cream. I said ice cream, she went. What's wrong with you? Lupus is my child. Lupus. So, I want some ice cream, but I think I'm gonna get my ice cream from Publix because I do love Publix ice cream. That Cardi B and also the B. And you see what she looks like. I already tatted up. So I'm trying to think, should I go ahead and get these gift cards now? Or should I get the gift cards? Really, even if I get the gift cards next week, that's fine. Because that's just a walk in, walk out, get them, boom, bang, done. But I'm trying to think of where else can I give them a gift card. And it won't be Chick-fil-A because that is not healthy. That remind me, didn't I say I was gonna go to Starbucks? I need to go put some Starbucks. Matter of fact, I can go home and make my own Starbucks because I have the stuff to do the refresher and I have the stuff to do frops and lattes. So I have it all. So I might go home and make me a green tea frappuccino. But I don't have any peppermint, so I like the green tea. It's a green tea frappuccino with 3 splendors and a pump of peppermint. That is just like my signature drink. That is my signature drink. I love it. So I have another video I'm gonna do for you all. And I think it's gonna be Starbucks hacks because I think I have everything that I need, y'all. It's just like, y'all don't know, when I'm filming, I have my hair down. Other than that, it's in a ponytail. I am so trying to get used to touching. I'm so used to having it down or in a ponytail. So I think I'm gonna do some Starbucks drinks, hacks, and what you can use to do these drinks. So I think that is what I'm going to do. So that would be kind of like cool. And I have some Starbucks cups. I may need to go stop at Starbucks and get some more. That's where each one of the kids and myself can get a drink by doing Starbucks. Starbucks. So I'll be back. So guys, we are home. We are just getting to Columbia, South Carolina. We are home. So guys, I am coming to meet someone. We decided to meet in Columbia. It's the same person that I got to send the order from, but I called Jared to see if the personalization was done on the item, and they said yes. So I am going to go by this Jared's to pick up the item for that person, and that is their Christmas. So I have that done. So I can't let anybody see where I am. So we're gonna meet somewhere. So once I get inside that place, I will click back on. But I will not be showing the person. I will not be showing the person. Okay. Okay, guys. I am now getting ready to head back home. I am happy. I have done what I need to do. See who I need to see. So, guys, I'm getting ready to take this road trip back. And I had to make another little stop, so I'm just stopping from that little stop now. And it's like an hour and about an hour and 30-minute drive, give or take. I have some gift wrapping I got to do tonight. I'm just like super excited. I'm super excited. So now at this point, the only thing I have to do is gift cards to my babies, and I'm gonna give a gift card to my dad. I don't know if I should, because if he misplaced it, of course, it's nothing you can do about it because it's a gift card. So, but I think he'll hang on to it and use it when he needs to use it. So, here nor there, I can take care of that on Monday. So I think I'm gonna take care of those type things on Monday. Y'all know on the YouTube world, I put everything yay instead of day, because it's yay, we have seen another day. So guys, I got to get up this road because I don't drive at night like that. But I made another stop, so we are now headed back on the interstate. So I see y'all when I keep Okay guys, we are officially back, and you see it is getting dark, so we got back in time. I stopped to BK to get my boys something to eat because I'm gonna take this vlog on over because I don't feel like going home now to cook the hen wings. I cook those tomorrow. So I'm not going to end this vlog day today. I'm going to have the continuation on tomorrow because I don't feel like going home and do that. I don't feel like going home and do that. So I'm going to go home and just start editing. The first part, I have 4 other videos I need to get edited to put them on schedule for upload. And one of my YouTube sisters have collab I think that's on the 28th. So I think that's a bar cart. So I need to go ahead and get hers done. I will do that one tomorrow so I can edit, have that one up and ready. And I have some more tablescapes I need to do. I'm trying to think, guys, do I want to end it at 25 days of Vlogmas, or do I want to take it to the 31st day? So I'm kind of like indecisive if I want to take it to the 31st day. And of course you can tell it's getting dark because girlfriend is like blinding out now, blinding out, and I'm ready to go get it on. Ponytail, yes. So guys, you can barely see me now because it is after 5 o'clock now. So I am gonna pick up on tomorrow, which I'm not gonna say what is Vlogmas day and Vlogmas day. No, I'm gonna just say Vlogmas and put that date. So y'all will see on the screen the date, and I probably do the date for tomorrow's date, but it'll go up one day next week because I think I have enough content for 4 to 5 days. So guys, I'm gonna end it now. I'm gonna pick you back up tomorrow, and we're gonna do a little bit of gift wrapping. You know what, that is what I'm doing. I'm not gonna end here. I'm gonna show you all how I gift wrap. How I gift wrap. Or should I do that in a separate video of how to gift wrap? Should I do that? How to gift wrap and make your boxes pretty. So I think that's what I'm doing. Instead of me adding that into here, I'm gonna add that as a whole nother video because I have boxes of different sizes, and I will show you how I gift wrap. I love to gift wrap. This year my gift wrap is a little bit different, but I do have some packages that are going outside of the house that I can package, and I can show you how it's done. Unfortunately, the biggest package for my dad, I cannot wrap because it's mega huge, and I have no clue if it's going to fit inside my automobile. I don't know yet. I think it will fit in my automobile. I'm praying. So the gift wrapping, how I gift wrap, will be in another video. I don't know how well it's going to do, but I guess I'll put how to gift wrap easy, an easy way how to gift wrap and make them elegant. So I'll do that in a different video. I was gonna do the stack combined gifts for my kids this year, but I decided not because some of them are getting some things that I cannot stack. So anywho, I will see you all same video, different day, but on tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. So guys, when I went grocery shopping with my dad, I found something that my mom used to cook. And since I've been living here for the last 3 years, I have not seen them. And what are they? Hen wings. Guys, let me explain hen wings. This is what they are. Don't mistake these for chicken wings, because you don't want to fry these at all, because the results will not be good. So guys, what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna show you how I cook my hen wings, about how long it takes them, and I'm gonna show you what they are going to look like at the end. So I have already washed some. I have this pack to wash, and I'm gonna take you all through that, so stay tuned. Okay, so I started off with my all Clyde, and this is my all Clyde. I absolutely love all Clyde. These were my seasonings, not were, but is my seasonings. So I had to convert over to my Big Walk Clathalon, and I do want the all Clyde like this, and I think it runs about $499, and I do want one, and I will be getting one. So I did convert over to my Cathalon, and as you can see, they are cooking very well. I usually take these tips and fold them. That's how my mom taught me, but I was being kind of like lazy tonight, and I did not do that. But guys, I'm gonna let this cook for 1 hour. Then I'm gonna come back and put more water in it for 1 hour. Then it'll be time to eat. Okay guys, I did not record me showing how I prepare the cabbage to cook, so I'm gonna run it through you as you see me stir it up. So this is the simple way how I do fried cabbage. First of all, what I do, I take sausage and I use the premium pork sausage, and I do buy this from Aldi. It's like $1.85, and I don't use much of it at all. So just that portion is all that I use, and it's only used for flavoring. After that, I cut up my cabbage, but I make sure they're in long strips, but narrow. After that, I use my trusted olive oil, put it in the pan with sauces, because the sauce is going to give you flavor from it. But I do use a little bit of olive oil, and after I put my cabbage in, I put a little bit of mixed onions in it, and I stir it every 7 minutes. Yes, guys, odd number, every 7 minutes, because you want to make sure that it is turning to make sure it is brown on all pieces, and you don't want to cook it firmly out. You want to make sure that when you get ready to eat it, it has a crunch.